Yo, check the charts and the ticker. This ain't no Wall Street zoo. Rank user in the building, dropping truth, breaking through. They call it gambling, call it a game, but I'm here to tell you that's a goddamn shame. It's a process, fool, a system design. Gotta have a plan, leave the guessing behind. 2-minute chart, 5-minute fight, 15 and daily, keeping my future bright. See, most you rookies jump in blind. No rules, no structure, just losing your mind. That's why I'm giving this knowledge away, teaching real skills you can use every day. 38 years deep, I've seen it all, from dot-com booms to the market's fall. I'm identifying plays, strutting with precision, managing risk, making crucial decisions. It's a process, fool, a system design. Gotta have a plan, leave the guessing behind. 2-minute chart, 5-minute fight, 15 and daily, keeping my future bright. My laptop's my weapon, my charts are my guide. Google, Amazon, side by side. 2-minute, 5-minute, that's the battle zone. 15 and daily, making sure I'm not alone. Got my watch list popping, level 2 on blast. Time and sales moving, ain't no time to relax. Made 3.8 today in just a few clicks, while you still clocking in, pulling corporate tricks. It's a process, fool, a system design. Gotta have a plan, leave the guessing behind. 2-minute chart, 5-minute fight, 15 and daily, keeping my future bright. Forget the 18 screens, that's a ball and chain. Thinking more monitors gon' ease the pain. Nah, one laptop's all you need to be free. Trade from the beach, sipping on iced tea. Doctors, lawyers, trapped in the grind. Slaves to the system, losing their mind. I'm a lone wolf trader, answer to no man. Living on my terms, following my own plan. So ditch the excuses, the low Barry woes. Plug that shit in, let the green line grow. If you can't make money with one, you won't make it with 10. I'm rank user to teacher, class is now in session.